Hello, my name is John Ferris and I would just like to highlight that WordPress 6.3 has arrived, and this is what you will see when it's actually installed. The other critical thing you will see once you've installed the updated WordPress 6.3 is the fact that when you go to your plugin section, you may well discover that there is a need to update plugins, as you can see here. So in this case there are 6 plugins that will be required to be updated. So before we do that, we would look at for this particular area where it says WordPress 6.3 is available. It may be worth your while backing up your site prior to the update to ensure that everything runs smoothly during the process of the update. But the actual update process, as we can see, will not take long. You've got everything backed up, it's ready to go, and you can see that you have so many plugins that need to be updated, and you will also notice the update options are going to kick in, and that's always good because this is telling you that this particular system will automatically update everything after that. But the key thing is you can now get on with it. You know, the site's backed up automatically, as your site system should be doing as well, and then you will go through the process to update your WordPress file. So what happens from the WordPress update is that the plugins will also then require updating. I've just shown you the fact that on this particular site there are 3 plugins that will be needed to be updated and running. On the next site that I showed you, you will see there are slightly more. Does it take long to update? Well, no, you may have them on an auto enabling option, but I'm showing you manually. The process is relatively simple and it will run relatively smoothly. As you can see, there are the 6 plugins. We are going into maintenance mode in this particular process. This can also be done through an option like WP Manager, and this can be done remotely to X number of sites at the same time if your website manager does it that particular way. So again, these periods of time you'll be looking for the rotating circle possibly during the update. It may take a little bit of time because some of your software may be large file like your site builder, and other key factors may also be needed to be just checking and running. So I'm just going to put this on pause briefly whilst we wait for the update so that you can see what it'll look like. So the positive news is that we now can see that we have the latest version of WordPress. We also can see that the plugins have all been updated, which is again encouraging, and the theme may need to be updated as well. But your plugins is where your functionality comes, and that is all sorted. So from this particular version of this particular site is ready to go with the latest version of WordPress 6.3. Thanks very much indeed for watching this particular video.